Here's the news of the day for May 12th of 2025.
Vertical Aerospace is developing a hybrid electric VX4 with up to 1,000 miles of range and 1,100 kilogram payload, unlocking new markets in defense, logistics, and air ambulance services.
Blueflite demonstrated its flagship drone in a live Coast Guard rescue and environmental mission while launching a pilot program for medical deliveries in Traverse City.
NHV upgraded its OONSV helicopter from D2 to D3 with zero downtime, showcasing its in-house expertise, and now offering MRO services to third-party operators.
Joby Aviation advanced pilot-on-board eVTOL flights, expanded UK partnerships, and grew its manufacturing footprint while appointing Rodrigo Brumana as CFO and closing Q1 2025 with $813 million in cash.
Choose and the SAFC Registry launched a first-of-its-kind integration with Alaska Airlines to streamline and verify sustainable aviation fuel credit transactions, boosting trust and transparency in the SAF ecosystem.
MUFJ Trust and Banking will invest up to $30 million in Euglena's Malaysian SAF project, supporting a new biorefinery with Petronas and Enilive to address Japan's future fuel shortage.
The FAA is investigating severe in-flight vertical vibrations in all Bell 206L series helicopters, urging operators to report incidents as it assesses potential safety directives.
To learn more, follow us on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.